On this episode, I'll show you how to create these Granite Fuchsia Earrings using polymer clay and silver-plated earring components. Condition and roll out on the number 2 setting 3 ounces of granite-colored clay. Lay a piece of plastic wrap over the clay. This will assist in creating rounded edges. And cut teardrops, 6 for each set of earrings. Smooth the rough edges on each teardrop and place on baking tile. Condition and roll out on the number 2 setting 1 ounce of fuchsia clay. Lay a piece of plastic wrap over the clay and cut bib collar, 2 for each set of earrings. Bake all at 275 degrees for 30 minutes. Let cool completely. Position 2 teardrops together on your baking tile. Apply a small amount of clay adhesive where the 2 tiles touch and lay a 3rd teardrop on top of the adhesive. Bake assembled clusters at 275 degrees for 30 minutes. Let cool completely. Using craft drill, drill 2 holes in each bib collar and 1 hole in each teardrop cluster. Apply Duraclear gloss varnish to front of each piece. Let dry completely. Once dry, do the same on the back of each piece. Attach a bib collar to a teardrop cluster using silver-plated jump rings. Attach another jump ring to the other end of the bib collar and add an earring loop. For this and more fun projects and project supplies, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.